Hi guys, this is Emily's dad. She doesn't know I'm doing this, so I'm taking it over. So I'm washing my face. Oh, gotta get it out. Oh, what's that goop? Oh my gosh. Oh, I got one right here. Dab, 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 dab. Gotta get that cleanser. Oh, we're gonna make some other goop and blend that in on our face so we look beautiful. Nice and clear. Put some more goop on. So this is layer number 3. This is going to make you look fantastic. This is great for any season. Yeah, make sure you get it on your neck. And then dab, 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 dab. Oh, other side. There you go. All right, good. Okay. Now you got it all nice and patted in. Yeah, don't get it in your eyeball. That's gonna sting. She's like really fast on dabbing stuff on her face. I wish you can get ready this quick every day. Yeah, make sure you blended it on your neck. You don't want a line. That looks horrible. Okay, now we're going to go for the 4th layer of goop on your eyes. Oh, and your forehead. Make sure you put it in like a little feather, and your chin. And then we're going to dab, 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 dab. Make sure you don't get it in your eyes. Okay. I'm not good at this, but this is actually kind of fun. Oh, now we're going to take some eyeshadow base, I think it is, or powder, and we're going to put it on our eyes so we have a good foundation. Now we're going to take our sponge and dab, 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 dab. Oh, and more. Dab, 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 dab. Looks so good. Oh, maybe brush up your eyebrows. Color them in. See how much better that looks? Make sure you keep looking at yourself in the mirror. Make sure you got it all. Look at the camera. You got a scowl. Oh, we're changing colors. Oh no, it's a brush. We're gonna brush them out. Now, here comes the colors. She loves them. We're taking an E45 brush. We're gonna go all the way across the top, blend it in. I don't know if it's an E45. I just think it is. It sounds good. Make sure you dab, 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 tap it on your thing, and then do it again on the other side. But you're just going to do the outside. You're not going to go all the way in. And then do the outside corner and in the crease. Make sure it's blended really good. Then I'm going to take this color, dab, 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 and go underneath to make your eyes pop. Taking another brush, doing that color again, doing a 2nd layer. Now it's a different brush with a different color. So this is the 3rd color. You want to put that on all over on your eyelid. See what my daughter's doing? You're just painting it on. Get a little excess off your face. Now you're blending. Uh-oh. Now for the cream. Dab, dab, dab. Now we're gonna highlight those cheekbones. You want to go all the way back to your ear, apparently. See, now she's got cheeks. She didn't have cheeks before. I'm going to do a little bit on your forehead to blend it in. Oh yeah, here we go. Here's the color. Make sure you tap it on your little case there to get the excess powder off. This is kind of a summery night look. And then you gotta top it off with some shimmery color. Tab, see? Bam! See, now you make your cheekbones pop. Bam, bam. Oh, yeah, gotta get a little shimmery on the into that schnoz. Oh, now we're gonna get a setter. Spray, spray, spray. Liquid eyeliner. Oh my god, this stuff is amazing. You should try it. See how it just goes on so smooth? Wham! And it doesn't even clump. Oh, now we're gonna go mascara. Gonna draw those lashes out so they're nice and thick and full. You need to make that face though, like you're totally disgusted. Okay, now we're gonna use a bigger, thicker brush for the top. And draw those out. Yep, you look great. Keep going. Blink, 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 blink. There you go, that looks really good. Okay, oh, now for the lips. Here we go. Not sure what color this is. It kind of looks like a nudie mauve color. Pop. See? Okay, thanks for watching.